journals. Today we're going to be making a bullet journal. First you start with a key or a index. Then you just basically you fill out whatever you want. You can add a calendar, water intake, birthdays that are important to you, a mood tracker to track your mood and how you feel, a spending log and start out with your starting balance, your ending balance, a wish list, and you put your item and the price that's there. And then you can do stuff you can do when you feel sad or happy or too excited or maybe anxious. Then you can add some exercise in, like yoga, and add some yoga poses or some exercise that you can do, like crunches or push-ups. And then you can also do what's on your mind page. So you leave this page blank so you can write what's on your mind at that exact moment. On this page, I had put lyrics that I like, that are my favorite. You can also draw or doodle on your bullet journal. So right here I drew Rick and Morty because I like Rick and Morty. They're pretty funny. And on this page, I had put little things that I need to work on. So take what you need page. I left that side blank because I had cut some strips on that page. On this page, I have my goals for 2018. I have my fitness goals, my college goals, and my personal goals on here. On these two pages, I had put my morning routine. So everything I do in the morning and what I have to do and what I should start doing in the morning. Then on the next page, when I get to it, I put happy habits. So basically this is just things that I should work on to be happy and have a good life. Why not? You should always be really happy, but it's okay to be sad sometimes. Now the next page, I did some ab workouts like I was said at the beginning with the yoga. I'm doing crunches, leg raises, and a 1 minute plank. And I just note down every day when I do them. And here's another drawing of two hands holding. Now I have another page. It's books that I should read and books I've already read. On the next page, I have a bunch of quotes on front and back. I'll let you see the quotes. There's the back page of quotes. Now on this page, I have a whole bunch of activities and tickets that I have saved up so I can put on my bullet journal. Just places I've went to and movies I've seen. On this page I have my weekly calendar. So Monday through Friday I jot down everything that I did or that I'm going to do in that week. Then I also have my YouTube, of course, for y'all. On this page I have my monthly goals that I should accomplish. On this page is foods to avoid, which I would take into consideration if I were you, to be on the healthy track. This is an unfinished page of me and my best friend Exandria.